friends, welcome back to yet another video of Science with Ayazullah. Friends, today also I am going to show you my plants. These plants are of mustard seeds, tomato and spring onions. Friends, I grew tomato last time in the last video I showed you, and even the spring onions. And this mustard seeds my sister grew. These mustard seeds will grow in just 1 week. Now 3 days finished and you can see how it grew. And friends, in the tomato plant now you can see few leaves that shapes changed. And friends, my mother shifted the spring onions in the soil after 1 week. You have to keep spring onions in water for 1 week. If you keep more than that, the spring onions will deteriorate. Friends, you can see this plant and here down also a plant which grew last time. I showed you these two plants are different from tomato plant, and I don't know which plants these are, and still it grew very beautifully. And friends, the leaves of the mustard seeds are looking like a butterfly, and these are also very much beautiful. So friends, this is all for today's video. If you like the video, like it and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.